What's up YouTube, Melting Metal Anthony here. Today we're going to talk about aligning ornaments on an ornamental gate project that you might be doing. So here is our gate project we have all welded up. So we have our ornament here. And as you can see, it's very sloppy, leaving a lot of room for error. We don't want a bunch of crooked joints like that. So how do we align this? So this is the way I do it, and I know there's other ways. You can make jigs, what have you, but this is the quickest and easiest way I found to align these, especially if you've already prefabbed your gate or railing, in this case a gate. So what I do is I just take a couple of feeler gauges. I set them, in this case, both at 26, shove them in, and as you can see, we have no movement. On the sides here, I just shoved a little 035 filler rod on both sides, and then what I'll do is I'll tack that with the TIG torch. So I'll just hit it real quick, both sides, and that should keep it fairly straight for us. All right, so we'll leave these in there until it cools down a little bit, and we'll go ahead and pull them out. All right, so as you can see here, I've got the last one jigged up. I've done and tacked in the rest of them. They've all come out fairly straight, as straight as they need to be for a gate. So that is how I like to keep my ornaments straight on top of any sort of ornamental gate or handrail I'm doing. All right, so as you can see, I have all my ornaments on my decorative gate. If this tip helped you out, go ahead and give me a like. Shoot me subscribe. Turn the notification bell on. Do what you can. Tell your friends about me, whatever. I hope you have a great day. I hope this tip helped you out. Keep on welding. Keep doing what you do. And again, this is Melting Metal Anthony. Have a great day.